Look, I was hungry. She said she had been hungry. I have been here for 2 hours. She said, "Hi everyone and welcome to English with Aga." This video is about reported speech, sometimes called indirect speech. Before we start, subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. At the end, we've got some practice exercises, so make sure you keep watching. Okay, let's get this video started. So there are 2 ways in English to say what somebody else said. The first one is to quote them directly, which means to repeat exactly what they said. When I say, "I am hungry," you can quote me. You can repeat this to somebody else. She said, "I am hungry." So this is a quote. It's exactly what I said. Nothing changes in this sentence. The other way to do this is to use reported speech or indirect speech. And then something changes. Look at this. I am hungry. She said she was hungry. So this is not a quote. You're not repeating exactly what I said. You are just reporting it using your own words. So you need to change the tense. I am hungry changes to she was hungry. She said she was hungry. So in reported speech, the present changes to the past. I am changes to she was. Now, the past changes to past perfect. When I say I was hungry and you want to say it using reported speech, you need to change was to the past perfect. Look, I was hungry. She said she had been hungry. The past changes to had been, the past perfect. Now, the present changes to the past, and the present perfect changes to the past perfect. So when I say I have been here for 2 hours, in reported speech, this will be she said she had been here for 2 hours. Have been changed to had been. Present perfect changed to past perfect. Will changes to would. I will go shopping this evening. She said she would go shopping this evening. Will changed to would. I should go shopping this evening. She said she should go shopping this evening. Nothing changes with should. Nothing changes with must either. I must go shopping. She said she must go shopping. Nothing changes. I might go shopping. She said she might go shopping. Nothing changes with might either. I may go shopping. She said she may go shopping. Nothing changes with may. Let's do a practice exercise. Change these sentences to reported speech. I like chocolate. She said she liked chocolate. The present changes to the past. I went shopping on Monday. She said she had gone shopping on Monday. The past changes to the past perfect. We have lived in this house for 10 years. She said they had lived in this house for 10 years. Present perfect changes to past perfect. I will help you. She said she would help me. You should watch this film. She said, I should watch this film. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!